Every grain of refined sugar begins its journey inside one of the world's most advanced sugar manufacturing factories, where nature meets precision engineering. Freshly harvested sugarcane is delivered directly from nearby farms to preserve its natural sweetness and quality. Before extraction begins, every sugarcane stalk is thoroughly cleaned to ensure the highest standards of food safety and product purity. Powerful crushing rollers extract the sweet juice that will eventually become refined white sugar.
Once extracted, the raw juice is carefully collected and monitored before entering the purification process that transforms it into high-quality, refined sugar.
The raw juice is carefully purified to remove natural impurities, creating a clean liquid ready for the next stage of production. By carefully evaporating water, the purified juice becomes a concentrated syrup, rich in natural sugar. Under carefully controlled conditions, millions of tiny sugar crystals begin to form, creating the foundation of refined sugar. Powerful centrifuges separate pure sugar crystals from the remaining molasses with remarkable efficiency. Before packaging, every sugar crystal is carefully graded to ensure a consistent size, purity, and premium quality.
High-speed automated systems package every bag with exceptional precision, ensuring consistent weight and freshness.
After passing every inspection, the finished sugar is carefully palletized, stored, and prepared for delivery around the world. From freshly harvested sugarcane to perfectly refined sugar, nature, innovation, engineering excellence.